Hello students, this is Shanaton sir, and today we will start a new chapter number 6, integers. So at first we have to know what is an integer, but before knowing integer we have to know what is a natural number. So what is a natural number? The set of natural number always start with 1 and ends infinitive. Actually the number of natural number always positive and it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 and so on. So now what is the negative number? Negative number with negative sign are less than 0, so it can be written as a -1 -2 -3 -4 and so on. So now we have to know what is the integer. So just combine both this number we can say integers. So the set of integers always +1 and -1, +2 and -2, +3 and -3 and so on, and include a extra number in a actually extra digit and it's 0. So the set of integers start from 0 and go through +-1, +-2, +-3 and infinitive. Okay, if I said -5, what is -5? -5 is a negative number as well as integer. Understood everyone? Now try to solve some question from your exercise 6.1. So exercise number 6.1. Write any 6 number less than 0. Just if I draw a number line, then we will get 0 here, and if I go to right side from 0, then we will get 1 2 3 4 and so on. But if I go to left of 0, then we will get -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -6 -7 and so on. So you have to write 6 number only. So just write -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 and -6. Understood everyone? Now try to solve question number 2. Write the opposite statement for each. So here is first question. 150 meter above sea level. So 150 meter above sea level, it can be written as a two-way. First, 150 meter below sea level or minus 150 meter above sea level. Understood everyone? So plus 150 meter above sea level or minus 150 meter below sea level. Now question number 2, 45 km west. So in similar way we can write the opposite statement, 45 kilometer west. So it can be written as a 45 km east. The opposite of west is always east, or it can be read as a, we have to write always negative sense. So minus 45 km west. So it is the beautiful opposite statement because we are doing negative mathematics, negative number of mathematics. Now try to solve some question from exercise number 6.1. Here is the first question. Write any 6 number less than 0. So if I draw a number line, here is 0, and if I goes to right hand side from 0, then we will get +1 +2 +3 +4 +5 and so on. And if I goes to left hand side from 0, then we will get -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -6 -7 and so on. So we have to write any 6 number less than 0. Less 0 means left hand side of 0. So the 6 number are 1 -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 and -6. Understood everyone? Now try to solve question number 2. We have to write the opposite statement. Question number 1, 150 meter above sea level. It can be written as a 150 meter below sea level, or other way it can be written as a minus 150 meter above sea level. So it can be written in two ways, but you have to write this method. You have to use negative sign because this is the chapter of negative number. Okay, now 50 kilometer west. So tell me the opposite meaning of 50 kilometer west. It can be written as a 45 kilometer east, but we have to write here minus 45 kilometer west. We have to use this statement because this is the negative statement. Now next question, 786 AD. So minus 786 AD, and here decrease in the temperature by 6 degrees centigrade. It can be written as a increase in temperature by 6 degrees centigrade, but we have to write here decrease in temperature by minus 6 degrees C. Now you can solve all the problem of question number 2. Now try to solve question number 3. Represent the following with appropriate sign. So you have to write here some sign. Question number 1. Submarine moving at 750 meter below sea level. Here is below. Below means down. So we have to use here minus 750. If here is above, then we have to use here plus. Okay, understood everyone? Now try to solve next question. Traveling 4 miles north. Traveling 4 miles north. There is any negative sense? No. So you have to use here positive 4 miles. Next, earning 500 per day. Earning, that's mean profit. It's positive sense. So here plus 500 per day. Understood everyone? So now you can solve all the problem of exercise number 6.1, and this is your homework. Okay? If have you any problem, then WhatsApp and call me full freely. Now, what we decide? For every week, we decide we give a short test or MCQ test of 5 questions. So in this week and in the Sunday, again we have to give a MCQ test of the chapter Understanding Elementary Safe. Okay, of chapter 5. So thank you. Bye.